Within each decoration method, you can configure the designer settings. Simply select the decoration method, go into designer settings, and you can control what is possible using the design tool for this particular decoration method. So we can control, can we allow text? Do we allow team names or stock designs? Do we let the customer upload their designs? And not only do we have the control to say yes or no, but also where is this possible? Is it possible in the front end of the site, making pre-decorated products, or within Business Hub? At the very bottom, you will see here the ability to control advanced text and image settings. So are we going to allow a gradient? Can the customer resize? Are we going to allow image effects? So just keep that in the mind. DTG, for example, full color printing process, there's not going to be as many limitations as far as what we allow the design tool to do. But maybe for embroidery, we come into the designer settings and we can choose if we're going to allow overlapping. You can choose how many colors can be in a design. If it's screen printing, it's also going to be a little bit different. I can control if the white underbase only applies to light and dark garments, if it applies to as well as white, or let's say that I just don't ever want the idea of an underbase because we're always going to have it. I can simply uncheck these and now there will never be an underbase no matter what the product color is. So go into each decoration process, double check the designer settings so that we set the expectations and the rules of what is possible, whether it's the front end design tool, making pre-decorated products within a web store, or our staff's putting together a quote or an order in Business Hub.